ultra comforting baked shepherd's pie. Just check out that spoonful of deliciousness right there. My version, obviously a little bit Asian. We're going with a spicy Sichuan-style meat sauce and fluffy, cheesy, buttery potatoes. This is my Sichuan-style shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie, what is it? Well, if you grew up in Australia or the UK, you would know that shepherd's pie is like this awesome, comforting, meaty kind of pie with a baked potato topping. And the secret here is that a shepherd's pie made with lamb mince. Now, I've seen a couple of YouTubers, I'm looking at you, Maddie Matheson, making shepherd's pie with beef. Not technically correct, but I still love you. That's okay, but lamb is the technical one that we want to use here, and let's just get going on this Asian style version because of course I'm me and I'm making an Asian style version. There you go. Let's do the meat sauce first of all. Hey Mom, can you get some gas? You had one job, gas. Oh, quick, go get on the bike. Have you got a bicycle?
Okay.
Okay, off you go. Thanks, Mom.
Now let's cooking.
I'm going to start off with a bit of oil in here. And some garlic. Quite a bit of garlic. I really want this meat sauce to be like punchy and garlicky and spicy. And some onion. And I'm just going to get straight in here with some ginger, just grate that in. And here's where we get all funky and very unconventional with our shepherd's pie sauce, but I'm going to use some Sichuan chili bean paste, and this one is called doubanjiang. So worthwhile getting a hold of, guys. See if you can get it online if it's not at your Asian grocer, and it just adds all sorts of umami spicy goodness to this, and a beautiful red color as well. And you know, if you can't get a hold of that, you could use some Korean gochujang chili paste. Different flavor, but you'd still get that beautiful color and that sort of extra hit of flavor. Oh, that is smelling all kinds of spicy and delicious already. Now I'm going to add my lamb mince in here. And then just get that mince kind of searing off and cooking down a little. Shepherd's pie was one of those dishes that I loved when I was little, because we mainly ate Asian or Thai food because my mum is Thai, and you guys would have seen her on my channel before. You know, for me, something like a shepherd's pie, which to other kids was really boring, to me it was really exciting. So I have a very fond memory of eating this as a child. Obviously, my childhood version was not this spicy Asian version. I've come full circle. Now I want everything to be Asian. Right, I'm going to add some tomato in here as well. And now let's continue on with the funky Asian ingredients. I'm going to add some soy sauce. And some dark soy sauce. Now this one here is mainly for color, so whether you're using a sweet thick soy sauce like this one or just a regular Chinese dark soy sauce, doesn't matter too much. And some chicken or beef stock, either is fine. A little dash of sugar. So now we want this little cauldron of deliciousness to kind of infuse itself with all of its flavors, get a little bit more intense. So I want to simmer this for about 20 minutes. Nice gentle simmer. Okay, so while our lamb is doing its thing, let's do our fluffy, cheesy, buttery potato topping. So I just want to cook some potato here. I always like to add a little bit of salt to my water here. Just layering up the seasoning and flavors is always a good idea. And then just cook these until they're super soft and tender, and then we're gonna mash them up. All right, potatoes are looking good. Just gonna drain them off. And for me, the best part about mashed potatoes is the butter. So I'm not gonna be skimpy with the butter. We're gonna go in with a whole lot of butter. A little dash of salt here. get in here and get these nice and creamy. Now I'm going to add some grated Swiss cheese here. You could use a Gruyere, you could use a cheddar. Choose your own adventure when it comes to the cheese. And now, like any good fluffy mashed potato, you really just kind of got to get in there, give it some muscle, just whip it around, get that cheese melting. All right, so that is looking like so joyful right now. I'm going to try some, obviously. That bowl needs to go like far away from me, or I will continue eating all of it. Yum. Now let's come back and see how our little red meat sauce is going here, and that is truly smelling really divine, guys. I wish you could smell it. I'm going to add in a little bit of corn flour here that I've mixed with some water, just because I want things to be all thick and glistening and sticky and shiny. All right, so that is what we're after. Oh, that is just looking luscious. Yum. Now, you could go a couple of ways here. You could make a large baking dish full of this, pile the meat in, put the potatoes on top. I'm going to go a little fancy, make little mugs. And now for the fluffy mashed potato topping. And I am all about that creamy mashed potato, my friends. So we're going to go large with the potato. And now to really make these guys uber stunning, I'm going to add a little bit of an egg yolk wash to the top. It's going to make everything sunshine yellow and beautiful. And now into a hot oven until those tops are beautifully, deeply golden. Oh, wow, you know, the smell of these guys, you're kind of getting this like baked cheesy potato smell, and then that beautiful spicy lamb sauce. Oh, I can't wait to dig in here. All right, just pop these out on a serving plate. All right, nothing else to do here except to try this concoction. I guess I can call it a concoction. But wow, oh, look at that potato and that lamb sauce. I'm really going to enjoy this. Holy smokes, that is so good. I mean, you get this huge flavor with the lamb and the spicy and that chili paste, and then you get this really beautiful creamy cheesy potato layer. I mean, come on, things just don't get any better than this. Whoa, insanely good. And you know what, not obviously a traditional shepherd's pie, but I don't know, I think it beats my childhood version. Yeah, totally does. Shh, don't tell my mom.
So good, tasty. I don't know why only half, not full. Pie, not flat. But what make you like this for? But very tasty. A little bit more.